This is MTech here, and today we'll be taking a look at Liectroux's B3000 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The robotic vacuum cleaner comes with a wireless charging dock, an extra HEPA filter, 2 extra side brushes, a cleaning brush, a directional infrared remote, and a border lighthouse tower. On the top of the robot, there's a display for displaying internal time and error codes. There are also 4 capacitive buttons for play and pause, spot cleaning, return to home, and cleaning schedule settings. Towards the bottom, we have a hatch for accessing the dustbin. The dustbin has a handle and a HEPA filter and a clear flap for keeping trash in. To clean out the dustbin, simply lift the tab on the side, pull the 2 tabs on the main mesh filter, and dumping out the main mesh filter and container. On the side of the robot, we have 2 exhaust ports, a main power switch and manual charging port. Towards the front, we have infrared detectors, bump switches, a rubber bumper, and a lighthouse receiver, which is used for detecting the charger and detecting the tower. On the bottom of the robot, there are 4 infrared detectors, which allows it to see ledges. There are also 2 charging pads for the wireless charger. Towards the sides, there are 2 side brushes, which allows the robot to direct rubbish into the vacuum port. Instead of a brush, the robot uses a vacuum port, which works surprisingly well at picking up a variety of different objects. Also, the wheels have suspension, allowing it to go over transitions easily. On the remote, we have a homing button to tell the robot to return back to its base, a play and pause button for waking up the robot, a spot cleaning button, a time setup button that allows you to adjust time on the robot, a sides of the room cleaning button, and 4 arrow buttons for directing the robot.